Hello everyone, and welcome back to Curvy Fashion. We're so happy to have you join our community where we celebrate every natural curve and embrace feeling amazing. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content. Today, we have a very special introduction. Meet Dani, the captivating model whose unique style and vibrant energy are making waves in the fashion world. Dani is a prominent plus-size model recognized for her work in body positivity and curvy modeling, with a growing presence as an influencer. She is a popular social media creator, widely known as Dani, though she also goes by handles like Soy Dianish and Dani. She has built a significant following by showcasing a simplified, authentic rural lifestyle that resonates with millions. While she keeps many personal details such as her full legal name and specific location private, she is primarily associated with the rural farm culture of Latin America. She has several active channels where she shares her daily life. Dani's career is centered on digital content creation. She is part of a growing niche of farmfluencers who celebrate traditional country living. Her content strategy includes daily vlogs, videos titled as My Daily Routine, that show her performing physical labor like feeding cattle, working with corn, and maintaining a farm. She often films herself cooking traditional meals over open fires or using rustic kitchen tools, emphasizing a connection to the land and heritage. Platform monetization. Like many creators in her niche, she uses platforms such as Patreon to offer exclusive or member-only content to her most dedicated followers. Her lifestyle, as portrayed in her videos, is a blend of hard physical work and simple living. Her videos frequently show her engaging in demanding farm work, such as hauling feed, tending to horses, and manual harvesting. She self-loves her curves and becomes an inspiration to propagate body positivity and self-love. Connection to nature. Her content is defined by an outdoor, rustic environment, featuring farm animals, gardens, and basic wooden structures. That's a wrap for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Stay confident, stay bold, and we'll see you in the next one.